pillow, it's the pillowcase. So I want to cut here. I fold it on that line, and I make sure that I have a really hot, steamy iron to make that seam flat. Then I take my pillowcase to my sewing machine. But like I said, you don't have to have a sewing machine. People didn't always have sewing machines, and some people don't believe in them. So then what I do is I take it to my sewing machine and I just sew that straight line. I don't sew much, and a little at all. This way can help you practice sewing and sewing a straight line. You don't look at the needle at the end of my pillowcase. And then I take it back over to the ironing board, turn it right side out, and iron the seam flat to put a pillow in a pillowcase. Take the pillow in there, and then you have a tight pillow in the pillowcase. Sleep and don't have to worry about your pillow getting flat.